are learning lots about new construction. Miss Marvetta Bozeman and Coach D over at Mission Bound Academy. They're doing amazing. If you missed this one, you better catch the next one.
After 20 years of buying and selling, there is always something to learn, and I have learned so much here today about new construction. The instructors are amazing.
They gave you guys some ingredients. They gave you some carrots, they gave you a little bit of celery, they gave you a little bit of seasoning and things like that. So how many of you guys are ready for the meat and potatoes? All right, the meat and potatoes is where you're gonna really dominate this industry and this new construction.